Hi everybody, it's Clinton again from ModuleWorks, and I'm here today with Simone from Cimatron. It's an absolute pleasure to meet this guy and talk about the Cimatron product and some of the technologies that ModuleWorks has been able to put into the product and the effect that it's had on Cimatron's mold tool and die customers. And let's be clear, Cimatron is well known as being one of the leading CAM system packages in the mold tool and die sector. So Simone, first of all, thank you so much for offering to spend the time and meet with us today. Really appreciate that.
Thank you, Clinton. It's my pleasure.
Perfect. So let's start off with the relationship. Obviously, ModuleWorks and Cimatron and the Sandvik Group more widely, but Cimatron, we've worked together for a good number of years. I'm intrigued to know your thoughts on the value of that relationship. Obviously, we know that we're providing component algorithms to the Cimatron product. That's fine. But what effect has that had on you, Cimatron, and your customers?
Absolutely. So I think we've been partners for what, probably over 20 years. And we really have a shared vision, which is to empower customers through innovation. And innovation is really key for both of us. If I look at Cimatron's mission, is really to deliver more efficient workflows to customers in tool and die and mold and to any manufacturer really. And we offer quite a broad range of tools from tool and die design, electro design, but then also CNC machining. We have a wide range of offering there, from the more basic 2.5 axis milling to the much more complex 5 axis machining. If you look at CNC in particular, the collaboration with ModuleWorks has been really essential. That innovation element that I was talking about has been really key to deliver value to our customers.
So that's allowed you to provide software that allows, I guess many of your customers are making incredibly complex, really challenging, large molds. These things need to be made right first time. You can't use toolpaths that are going to leave gouges and surface imperfections on the part. So, you're relying on us, I guess, to create high quality toolpaths. Your customers have got trust and faith in you that you can deliver that. And that is in small part because of the ModuleWorks company as well.
Correct. And it's quality, but it's also time. These workflows are very time consuming. If you look at the size of a complex mold on die, it can be meters really. Yeah. So CNC machining time is significant, and therefore you need to optimize as much as you can your toolpath creation and then your machining workflow. And that's where the tools that we are really developing with you guys are essential.
That's superb. So obviously we talked about the current state, and obviously Cimatron's well known in this industry, and we talked at length about the quality of Cimatron as a mold tool, manufacturing tool. What about the future? I know we're actively working on releasing some pretty cool technology within the Sandvik Group, but specifically Cimatron. Should we talk about some of those now? Let's start with GPUSim, because we were talking about that earlier on today, and you expressed some nice views on that. What's your thoughts on that?
Right, so we are really proud to be launch partners with Sandvik as a group for GPUSim. It's really redefining manufacturing simulation and CNC simulation. It's really giving to our customers, and as I was saying a moment ago, our customers are dealing with very large and complex components. So you need to get it right the first time, and you need it fast.
Sure.
So that's where really getting these results really fast, and they're leveraging the GPU resources is becoming essential.
Yeah. So I'm going to imagine, if you're working on a large bumper mold tool, and these things are huge, if it's going to take weeks of actual machining time to make that mold, you want absolute clarity that your toolpaths are going to be safe. And sitting there watching a traditional CPU simulation of stock removal is a complete waste of time, but it's a necessary evil. And that is just wasted money. So if GPUSim is going to speed that up, we're seeing factors of 10x speed ups. That's going to make a significant difference to your customers, I'd assume.
Absolutely, and really, it is about speed, of course, but it's also enabling a real-time digital twin. It's the foundation for a real digital twin of the CNC environment, and that's where we are democratizing simulation, because then we can bring this technology to all our customers as long as they have access to a commercial GPU.
Sure. And I guess in the same vein, it's all well and good making things quickly. GPUSim helps with that. But you also need to make things correctly. Surface finish is key in mold and die. So things like FeedControl, that helps with tool life extension, helps with shortening, reducing cycle times. But things like SuperFinish, that's going to make a huge difference, I'm guessing, to the quality of parts that your customers are making, removing the need for polishing and so on. So these strategies are playing a huge role in the future of Cimatron, right?
Yes, they are, and honestly, that's really where, in my opinion, collaboration leads to transformation. We are really looking at the future. Let's take, for instance, FeedControl. Today, everybody says that the world is data-driven, right? So if we look at FeedControl, the ability to evaluate and optimize the toolpath creation, looking at real physics, not just the geometry.
The theory, yeah.
Exactly. Is really a game changer. And on top of that, the ability to do that in seconds is a huge value for all our customers, really.
Okay.
When you look at SuperFinish, of course, it's redefining the benchmark for surface quality, particularly for these applications like in aerospace, in automotive, that really require a very high surface quality. And we did run some physical tests with you guys and with Walter Tools, which is part of the Sandvik Group, and we compare SuperFinish against the regular traditional Cimatron finish and some competitors, and we were blown away. I mean, the surface quality that we got, the result that we got with SuperFinish were just outstanding, and that's really something that we want to integrate, and we are working at the integration in the next release of.
I think we're all excited to see all of that technology released and included the Cimatron product. So that's fantastic. Look, Simone, thank you so much for your time today. I really appreciate you sharing your thoughts on the current state and also teasing us at your vision of the digitalization of Cimatron in the future. So thank you for your time. And thank you to you guys for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.